I hope you guys can see me. Hi. Welcome to my first get ready with me. If I sound low, it's because my parents are out there and oh, want them to hear me. So guys, I'm going to the beach. I'm just going to have a little solo date on the beach. I might bring my little sister. Yeah, but it's supposed to be a solo beach date. So get ready with me. I already know what I want to wear, so let's put that on. So let me put those on. Here I have on that bottom with these shorts. So the top I'm going to wear is this long breasts in a nice thing, in a nice bikini top. Anyway, I'm going to put this on and I'm going to pair it with a mesh top. I don't even know if I'm bright enough. So here's the top. And I'm going to pair it with this. I honestly think this should have been like a short because it's really short. Or I'm just going to put it in my next vlog. And this is the look. And I'm pairing this with my Crocs as usual. I don't want to wear with my Crocs. So won't be that girl. Give me some time. So I'm on my merry way. However, she's on my merry way too. So we're waiting for my mom. She went to go and get some. Yeah, she's on our merry way too. She went to get some sweets. I'm just dropping her off at church, I think. And yeah, you guys will see the video. I think what I just did is going to be a part of the vlog and not a whole get ready with me, because maybe I can do this vlog as a 2-part vlog. So I don't know yet. Oh man, okay, I don't know. You're just in my video, so
you turn it.
Hi. So it's Sunday. I don't think I mentioned that it's Sunday. We're in Moran Bay, the capital of St. Thomas, and we decided we want milkshakes before we go to the beach. It's been a while, so like, oh, by the way, this is the famous courthouse, Moran Bay Rebellion, yada yada yada. Yeah, so we decided we wanted milkshakes before we went to the beach. And there's this place called The Deck here. I'm going to see if it's open. I don't know if it's open at all, but if it is, we're getting milkshakes and then we're going. My milkshake brings all the boys to the, and damn right, it's better than yours, and damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. Yeah, so hopefully it's open. So we're here and I think it's closed. I should do a review on here. So hello, welcome. So let's see. Oh, I just step in, song start play, what you know say? Okay, so we got our milkshake and I bought a cake. I was going to buy two, you know, but $1,000 fee. It better be worth it. I think I had it there once. It's not bad. I think the last time I had it. Got a cake, so we're going to try this when we get back to the car and then head to the beach. This child needs to go to the beach. We're not gonna stay there for long either. Get some content, dip in the water. What do you think?
Nice.
This is by far one of the best milkshakes. It's worth it. The day couldn't do anything. You think? Them ramen and stuff. She's so cute. I don't like how many people are out here. Like, I decided to come out in public the one day and the public decides to be here. Like, what? Morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning and I woke up about an hour ago, but I'm just actually getting out of bed. So I thought my vlog that was supposed to go up Sunday actually went up this morning. It took all of 3 days for one video to upload because I was having Wi-Fi issues. Anyway, I was supposed to upload a video today, but not that was supposed to go up on Sunday, and since we can't go back in time, I said that I am going to upload what's in my content bag. I'm going to edit it right now and see if I can schedule it for like Friday. And I have the regular Sunday vlog that should come out Sunday that I'm working on, which this is going to be a part of. And yeah, guys, it's February 1st. Let's take control of the new month because last month beat the shit out of me. Hey, baby. So yeah, happy February, guys. Enough of that. I will have a lot to do. Bye bye. Hi guys, it is the next morning and I'm getting ready to go and shoot some content. I think I'm going to do a cafe review today and a review, something extra, because I'm reading now and I just think it would be nice to have you guys know what I'm reading, the type of stuff that I'm reading. So I'm gonna do a book review. I'm also going to shoot some other content, and what I realized is that I unintentionally have bulk content, you know, because I have 2 videos back that I haven't posted it. One for Friday, one's for I don't know when, or if that one will even get posted, or if it will be posted with this vlog. I don't know. I have this vlog editing and I have the other 2 videos that I'm gonna do. I love that for I'm the type of person, I feel Ari. Anyway, I'm the type of person that likes to stay busy and be busy. So when I have a lot to shoot and a lot to film, I just love that, because I know that there are times when I am blank, I have brain fogs and I don't know what to do. So I just love this. So yeah, see you guys At my next stop for where I'll be shooting today, because I'm gonna show you a little bit of something. I won't leave y'all out like that. One diabetes. Ice cream. Can't go back there. Did I? It is sweet enough. And if you're in sweet, I don't mind.
I asked for extra.
No, because that would have killed the reason for the coffee.
Exactly.
Okay guys, so that was a little sneak peek of my next review. It's going to be a review of Cafe Blue, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be my next video and it will be up on Wednesday. Yeah guys, you've reached the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. If you've reached here, please comment some blue hearts below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.
She not deserve my earth.